Welcome back. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that the desktop application has an element that the web application does not have. That element is, as of the recording of this video, voice mode. We can use voice mode to interact with ChatGPT in real time. In order to use voice mode, all we'll need to do is to click this element. We will need to make sure that we allow our mic and/or headset to be connected to ChatGPT. And if that is done, we can then click this element that says Use Voice Mode, and we will click Use Voice Mode. ChatGPT. Which application is the most efficient way to create whiteboard animation videos? Pictory.ai or Camtasia Studio with Storyblocks video? For whiteboard animation, Pictory. Pictory.ai would be more efficient. It offers a range of templates and an easy-to-use interface specifically designed for creating animated videos. On the other hand, Camtasia Studio with Storyblocks is more of a general video editing tool with stock footage and animations, which would require more effort to create a whiteboard animation from scratch. If you're focusing on whiteboard animation, Pictory.ai would be the better choice. Is that because Pictory.ai matches the audio to the script, or is it because of the work in the video? It's primarily because Pictory.ai is designed to streamline the creation of animated videos, including whiteboard animations. It can automatically match your audio to the script and generate visuals accordingly, saving you time and effort. While Camtasia Studio with Storyblocks offers flexibility, it requires more manual work to create the animations, as it's not specifically tailored for whiteboard-style videos. What if I were to try to use the Guide, Guidde application? Would that be an efficient way to use to create whiteboard videos? Using Guide could be an efficient way to create whiteboard videos, especially if you want to create step-by-step tutorial-style content. Guide is designed for creating instructional videos with on-screen recordings and annotations. While it doesn't specialize in whiteboard animations per se, you can use its features to create a similar effect by recording your screen as you draw or move elements around, combined with voice narration. This approach can work well if you prefer a more hands-on, customized style of whiteboard video. So as you can see, you can interact with ChatGPT in real time using voice mode from your desktop computer. Now, this feature does exist in the mobile application, but using the desktop application, it is now available. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.